Hello everyone. So today we will learn about high mechanization. What is high mechanization? The use of machine at a very high level up to the level of automation. तो automation में क्या होगा? लोगों की जरूरत ही नहीं होगी, सब काम machines करेंगे. So this high mechanization, this has impacted the workers as well as the petty bourgeoisie. Again, what is the meaning of petty bourgeoisie? I have explained you earlier. Bourgeoisie is a German word, is for upper class. So petty bourgeoisie means semi-upper class. Means they are not workers, but they are not capitalists or the owners also. So they are in between. Workers. Machine reduced the number of workers, ruined the career of workers, and hence created unemployment. Also, recession came because of more supply and less demand, because the machines are now producing large amount of goods. So now the capitalists stop the production till all the supplies are sold, and the workers are either in no work or agreeing to work in very low wages, that please give us some work, either otherwise our family will get destroyed or something like that. So whenever recession comes, it is the worker that suffers the most and not the capitalists. How it is affecting petty bourgeoisie? The owners of small business or the small industries, they were petty bourgeoisie. Karl Marx said that it is a transition class, that it will get vanished automatically with time. So they were producing cheap quality product at low price. Those workers will be buying. But now recession की वजह से अब क्या होगा? जो branded products है, now the branded products are also sold at low prices. So there is no competition between petty bourgeoisie and capitalists. So if someone is getting branded product at the reduced price, then why will he buy the cheap quality product? So they got abolished. For example, the local TV makers in 1980s are vanished now. And maybe in the coming days, there is a possibility that online shopping will vanish the well-established markets. So these people, when they will become worker, the petty bourgeoisie, they are going to provide leadership and will educate the other workers that they are being exploited, and then they will unite together. Then awareness will come, they will be fully conscious, and then they will revolt against the capitalists and abolish their status. Keep watching, friends. So in the next video, we will see workers class in itself. Thank you. Please subscribe and share this channel.